Ciao everyone, this is Chen. I'm a wine educator in Hong Kong. Today I'm going to taste Costamolino from Argiolas. It is a white wine made from Vermentino grapes growing in Sardinia. Argiolas is one of the leading wineries in Sardinia, which has been rediscovering and promoting local grape varieties for 80 years. Costamolino is really one of the signature wines from Argiolas, reflecting such efforts. This bottle is very special because it is from 2019 vintage, celebrating the 30th anniversary of this wine. It has a very beautiful, bright, pale lemon color. The nose is fresh and delicate with sweet citrus, stone fruits, maquia, the mix of Mediterranean herbs, which is typical for the wine from this region. On palate, it is very soft and juicy with bright acidities and a slightly bitter almond notes. The finish is very long and clean, persistent. This is a perfect wine for the hot summer days in Hong Kong, and also a very fruit-friendly wine. Happy 30th anniversary, Costamolino.